Sa mga oras na ito, alamin naman natin ang mahalagang balita mula sa Palasyo ng Malacanang. Nakatutok po doon ang aming kasamang si Elena Luna, mag-uulat via phone touch.
Maraming salamat, Kirby. Pangungunahan ni Pangulong Aquino bukas ang pagunita sa araw ng pambansang bayaning si Dr. Jose Rizal. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, gagawin ito ng Pangulo bukas sa Rizal Monument sa Maynila, kung saan gaganapin ng flag raising at wreath-laying ceremonies. Ito na ang ika-118 taong anibersaryo ng pagiging martir ni Rizal. Sa katatapos-tapos lamang na press briefing kanina ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, ipinabot niya ang mensahe ni Pangulong Aquino. Narito ang mensahe ng Pangulo na binasa kanina ng kalihim.
The Filipino people stand united in celebrating the life of a man who throughout his life sought to uplift the circumstances of his motherland and fellows. We honor Gato Rizal, his courage, deeds, and generosity of spirit. We discover an exemplar of citizenship in our national hero, and in his triumphs and sacrifice, we imbibe the inspiration to continue the fight for the Filipino. May this commemoration invigorate and impassion us as a people, that we may remain unwavering in the duty to bequeath succeeding generations with a dignified, progressive future they deserve. The battles we confront may be different from our forebears, yet the call to action and service they once heard remains resonant and clear. Rizal served as our president for prodigious acts. He took upon himself to alleviate the despair of others and cast his stake for a tomorrow of peace and liberty. As today's stewards, we are enjoined to do the same, walk the path of accountability, and commit ourselves to the task of nation building. We shall compose the next chapters of our history and pass it on to coming Filipinos. United, let us strive to leave them a legacy of an empowered and proud nation. From the President of the Philippines.
Sa briefing din kanina, sinabi ni Secretary Lacerda na hindi natuwa si Pangulong Aquino sa nangyaring aberya ng mga pasahero ng Cebu Pacific Air. Ayon kay Secretary Lacerda, tinawagan na ng Pangulo si DOTC Secretary June Abaya para bigyan ng direktiba at suriin ang naging problema sa flights.
Ni Pangulong Aquino yung situation sa NAIA 3 terminal kung sobrang daming delayed passengers doon. So, I think si Secretary June Abaya already spoke about it in today's papers. Time to go home and be with your loved ones, di ba? And certainly, kaya nga ang Cebu Pacific, titingnan nga kung ano nangyari dito sa Cebu Pacific, mukhang walang ganung klaseng problema sa Philippine Airlines So, inatasan na ni Secretary June Abaya ang CAB. Tingnan.
Tiniyak naman ng palasyo ang sapat na paghahanda para sa bagyong Senyang, ang ika-19 na tropical storm na pumasok sa Pilipinas. Ayon kay Secretary Lacerda, may binuunang bands ng relief goods at ipinatutupad na rin ang preemptive at forced evacuation.
DSWD Field Office Caraga has activated the quick response team starting 7 a.m. All staff are on standby in preparation for possible emergencies. DSWD Caraga has pre-positioned 14,852 family food packs to the different municipalities in the 5 provinces of Caraga, and 17,835 family food packs available at Tiniwasan Warehouse. Packing is ongoing to complete the 30,000 food packs as required. Forced evacuation is ongoing in 3 barangays of the municipality of Veruela, ADS, and then noong dito sa LGUs naman, preemptive and forced evacuations were imposed, and they're currently serving the families under evacuation centers. All systems are in place, and the field office is ready for any help needed by the LGUs.
At dahil ilang araw na lamang ang nalalabi bago sumapit ang bagong taon, ipinaalala ng palasyo na mag-ingat sa paggamit ng mga paputok.
The celebration of New Year is always marked with festivities and joy and happiness. Along with it, the Filipino tradition of celebrating New Year has a lot to do with fireworks and explosives. Recreational explosives. What we would like to urge our countrymen to do is kung pwedeng hinay-hinay na lang dito sa mga paputok. Imbis na magkaroon tayo ng isang maligayang at saka masayang bagong taon, baka mas mabuti na lang na iwasan natin ang mga paputok na nakakapinsala sa ating mga kababayan, lalo na ang mga kabataan, yung mga bata na mahilig laro ng mga paputok. So we urge the parents, we urge the parents to make sure that we avoid playing with fireworks and pyrotechnics na nakaka-apekto or nakakahamak sa ating mga kababayan. So magkaroon sana tayo ng isang magandang at safe na bagong taon celebration.
Samantala, sa schedule naman ni Pangulong Aquino ngayong araw, sa mga sandali nito ay abala ang Pangulo sa meeting na nagsimula kaninang 1:00 ng hapon. Kasama niya sa meeting na ito si Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr., ang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel at ang mga kinatawag ng NEDA o National Economic Development Authority. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan. Ako si Elena Luna.